Increase sales with Monkey Digital Local Advertising. Target the right local audience for your business. Whether you're offering services or products, we can help you engage the right local audience within your city or broader areas. Our tailored campaigns ensure direct B2B interactions, bringing you more business. With our method, we cut out wasted efforts by targeting only those interested in your services. Use Google Maps, Yelp, and Yellow Pages to gather contact details. Build a tailored marketing campaign using the collected data. Deliver a complete report with all contact details within 7 days. A designated email for leads. A brief, targeted marketing message. A phone number for direct contact. This method prevents your message from reaching competitors and instead focuses on new, interested clients. We develop integrated digital marketing strategies to achieve our clients' goals in the most efficient way. First, we identify the client's target audience and then develop campaign objectives which define the best possible way for us to reach them. Check out the link in the first comment. This is an affiliate link. Signing up for this service helps support my blog. Please like, share and comment on this video.